Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join us by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for chilling in, and I love you all. So my people, this particular news, they come from Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. Without wasting much of your time, make we go into the details of this particular news so that we go know where to carry us come here today. Soldiers patrolling Ihiala local government area of Anambra State has shot a yet to be identified man. On Tuesday, soldiers from a patrol van open fire on communities 100 meters away from the local government area, and one fall. After moving a short distance away, a crowd began to fall around the man, prompting the soldiers to return, firing sporadically again and sending the resident company for security. When FIJ reporter returned to the scene, the middle-aged man was no longer there. Multiple witnesses said he has been picked up by the soldiers. So my correct people, I go stop the reading for here, make I analyze this particular news for una just now. Make una dey see wetin dey happen for southeast. Make una see wetin dey happen in particularly for Anambra State of Nigeria. Make una dey see, because Ihiala local government dey inside Anambra State. Due to the election wey be say e dey happen for Anambra State, Nigerian government come carry all the heavy forces wey be say dem get for inside Naija. They come carry them enter Anambra State. Then they come, they patrol, they go everywhere where be say they fit go, they find trouble, they wake up and they find all the Biafran citizens, even those where be say they no be Biafra. They buy all of them due to say they carry them go there due because of the election where be say it dey happen for Anambra State now. My correct people, wetin me they talk about now be say I no blame all these people at all. The people now wey me dey blame now southeast leaders, even the leaders wey we get for southeast, the senators, the governors, as in the president, or everybody sef, I dey blame all of una. Even the traditional rulers, ọhaneze ndị agụrụ na ndị omekome, ala dị maburu ndị nze anyị nwere na southeast, all of them as in all of them na them gather plan this one. So now they gather plan, they want you style, as in they want you style stop Biafran agitation. They want you style stop Biafran struggle. Many body now they talk about Biafran, now they won't stop. They not say the Biafrans where we get now not be the type of Biafran where we say they get that year where we say they buy everybody finish. Nowadays, the Biafrans where we get now they ready to buy at any time. They not even send. The more you they buy them, the more they come out. Now, what these people they no understand. Instead of them to carry our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go negotiate, waiting, ask and waiting in want, waiting in need, make them give and waiting they ask for. They buy all the whole citizens where they Biafra land finish. Can you imagine 100 meters away? Now my people, now these people they open fire 100 meters away. According to the news now they nobody know who be that man where they buy like that now, and they don't carry that man body come out. Just nobody know where they carry and go. Nobody know where them carry the man now go. In people now go they find out they no go see their pikin again. 100 meters away. Not because those ones find them trouble. Now they find trouble themselves. My correct people, southeast they need help. The southeast leaders they need help. They need help. Okay, now make we check on this way. Now them say now because of this thing where we say IPOB talk say election no go hold for Anambra State, and because of the security reason now make them carry all these people enter Biafra land. Now IPOB don't say make everybody go out, make them go vote for anybody where they want vote, make them go vote that day. Abi, and wetin all those people see they do for Anambra State, wetin they see they do for Biafra land, wetin them see they do, why they never still carry their people go back for where they carry them they come? All Fulani herdsmen, they waka for everywhere for Biafra land, they do their things. all these people, they not carry all these their security men with their all those their armored tank of 18 carry go meet Fulani herdsmen. They not carry the entire forest, may they go meet all those people where they disturb innocent citizens of Nigeria. They no carry them, may they go meet them. Now inside the Anambra State or Biafra land where we say they no need anybody help. Now that place they can't carry them come. Where they no need their attention, now that place they for they carry them come. They won't stop Biafra agitation by all means. They don't want just hear anything Biafra, which they know say the more that they buy people, the more people they arise. Now that one now they need to get into their score. The more that they buy people, the more people they arise. And the earlier they get that into their empty brain, so that they go come and the Kalu, make the asking and the Kalu waiting they find will be better for them. It go better for them because all these things they get too much. Just see innocent people when not find them trouble. You just buy the man like that. Before more people go come, they don't carry the man come. Can you imagine yourself? They not even allow reporters to use cameras and to record the incidents when we say it happened. They not allow them to record because they don't want make people see what thing they happen for Southeast. They don't want make the world know what thing that they do Biafran people. Now made they hide that. They not allow reporters to record it. They not allow any record for that incident. Okay, before people will come now, they don't carry the man come out. How the family of that man now go tell nothing that they are picking be that one where they carry? They ask me where they carry and they go. Now they will come carry and go away for one forest like that. It will be like saying a foul now they buy like that. It will be like saying a foul now they buy. All these things go to happen for Biafra land every day. Southeast leaders, they no go do anything. They no go talk. They no go say enough is enough. Instead of them to talk, now their political career, election, every time now they hear from them. Come vote for me, I go become good governor, become good this one. I go build school, I go build this one. Promise. Now we still date in Southeast. All the governors where we say they don't emerge for Southeast. None of them don't fulfill their promise. Every year now they hear different type of promise for that place. They not find solution. Make the better that their state. They not find solution to better. They allow Fulani. They control them like say they be no man. Which they now what them be? In fact, now what them be? What me want let them know be say no matter how they try, no matter how hard they try, they can never ever stop Biafran struggle. The more that they carry people, the more people they arise. But the yet where we say they never born, that one, if they don't stay born and they go still arise against them. My correct people, share this video, like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about this video, and I go see you in my next one. Bye. All hail Biafra.